Holy cow, what the heck is going on down there? Rain hasn't lit up all day. It's pouring down rain. This thing came back. It like flapped all the way back there, and all of a sudden it like flapped back. It just came back like that. It didn't blow away. There's only one nail on it. Some emergency down there. By the way, our van is in the shop right now, and I was gonna do a video on that, but no, it's pouring down rain. And its camera is not waterproof, so it hates the rain. So let's see what happens later. I guess that's it. Bye. Don't forget to keep it frigid.